Shot it behind the net. Tampa Bay Lightning player down, and this might draw a swing or two by everybody getting involved, and somebody wants a piece of somebody.
Well, he wants a penalty. He thinks DeKeyser catches him from the blind side and catches him in the head. And he's looking for a major penalty there. And does he leave his feet? It's hard to tell if he comes off his feet. But that's what Hedman's talking to him about. He's wondering, why is he getting tossed? And